everyone, thank you for tuning into today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at dollar CAD. Right, so what I have here is dollar CAD on the daily. Very interestingly, market structure is very clear. Lower highs, right? Higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so we can expect price to push up and make a higher high. Right, but for that, let's quickly go down to the 1 hour, and I just want to show you guys, keeping in mind that the bigger picture is always bullish for now. Okay, we see over here that price is also making lower high. Alright, so lower highs over here, connecting all these lower highs with a ascending trendline support. Alright, you can see that price is being held by this ascending trendline support very, very nicely. Okay, so we're just waiting for price to do a bounce up, a push up, and where would be our first take profit will be very clearly this graphical overlap resistance, right? So we can use this as a first take profit level. And of course, final take profit will be this last swing high where price tested once and twice. Okay, so we have two take profit, one intraday, one slightly longer term. We can use Fibonacci retracement of the last push, high to low, open all Fibonacci ratios. Alright, we see the 50% retracement right here. Okay, so I just want to highlight this 50% retracement level. Okay, so we have a 50% retracement right here. We can expect price to push upwards to there. Okay, and where will our entry be? Of course, I'm thinking that price could always come back down to retest this trend line, ascending trend line support before pushing higher. So we use our small retracement from the last swing low. Okay, and I'm thinking a really short term 61.8%. Right, you can see very clearly a 61.8% is in line with the ascending trend line support. Alright, so this level can be our entry. Alright, we can wait for price to do a pullback. And finally, of course, the stop loss, I'll put it outside the last swing low, right over here. Why this level as the stop loss? Very simply, a stop loss is the level which we know for sure we are wrong. So if price would have come down, it would have broken the trend line. If it has stopped us out, it will have formed a lower low, right? So with this change in structure, lower low and breaking the trend line, we can be fairly certain that the trend has reversed. Last but not least, we can also look at indicator. Alright, stochastics over here, we can actually see a short-term intraday intermediate support for stochastics. Right, every time stochastics test this support level, price bounces. The test over here, it bounces. So price is reacting above the support level, we should see a bounce as well. So I would like to thank everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe. I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.